North Carolina Basic Law Enforcement Training BLET Certification Practice Guide Complete Prep. Question 1. Who established universal precautions and provide the framework for an effective infection control policy? Option A, tort. Option B, the legal entrant aliens. Option C, Center for Disease Control. Option D, a warrant that is issued before all of the facts or events taking place are given. The correct answer is option C, Center for Disease Control. Center for Disease Control. Question 2. This occurs when the body position of an individual interferes with their respiration, resulting in unconsciousness or death due to a lack of oxygen. Option A, persistent repetition. Option B, positional asphyxiation. Option C, agriculture, military installations, transportation infrastructures, banking infrastructures, nuclear power plants, citizenry. Option D, alert, pulse, and breathing more than 30 breaths per minute. The correct answer is option B, positional asphyxiation. Positional asphyxiation. Question 3. Who completes the affidavit and petition for involuntary commitment form? Option A, don't take it personally. Option B, magistrate or clerk of superior court. Option C, cash bond, property bond, written promise, custody release, unsecured bond. Option D, deformity, contusions, amputations / avulsions, punctures / penetrations, burns, tenderness, lacerations, swelling. The correct answer is option B, magistrate or clerk of superior court. Magistrate or clerk of superior court. Question 4. What is the AOC SP 300? Option A, criminal charges and prosecution, civil lawsuits and fines. Option B, affidavit and petition for involuntary commitment. Option C, injuries that occur when there is a lack of proper support. Option D, no less than 8 or more than 12 officers. The correct answer is option B, affidavit and petition for involuntary commitment. Affidavit and petition for involuntary commitment. Question 5. This order directs a law enforcement officer to take the respondent into custody for an examination by a psychologist or physician. Option A, findings and custody order. Option B, misdemeanor larceny is $1,000 or less, felony larceny is more than $1,000. Option C, power and coercive control. Option D, involuntary manslaughter. The correct answer is option A, findings and custody order. Findings and custody order. Question 6. What are some of the roles of the school director? Option A, responsible for regulating trainee participation, demeanor, attendance and records, also determines the level of comprehension and retention of subject matter, determines whether or not a student has a deficiency. Option B, misdemeanor larceny is $1,000 or less, felony larceny is more than $1,000. Option C, accuracy, brevity, clarity. Option D, no operator's license. The correct answer is option A, responsible for regulating trainee participation, demeanor, attendance and records, also determines the level of comprehension and retention of subject matter, determines whether or not a student has a deficiency. Responsible for regulating trainee participation, demeanor, attendance and records, also determines the level of comprehension and retention of subject matter, determines whether or not a student has a deficiency. Question 7. How many months does a trainee have to become a sworn law enforcement officer after completing the state exam? Option A, little or no organizational unity of purpose, members come and go and have no common bond. Option B, intellectual disability. Option C, open-ended. Option D, 12 months. The correct answer is option D, 12 months. 12 months. Question 8. Can a school enroll you after the first initial day of course delivery? Option A, judicial officials. Option B, probably cause to believe the defendant is inside. Option C, no. Option D, sightsayer / sightseeing and expressive / agitated. The correct answer is option C, no. No.